Always tracking, always alerting. Storm Team 8.
Luckily, we're staying dry across West Michigan. A lot of the country can't say that right now, but we are still seeing that thick layer of persistent clouds that we've been tracking the last several days. Here's a look at some cams across the area. Again, minimal sunshine expected. You can kind of see the sun attempting to poke out in Muskegon, but that really will not be the case. Otherwise, checking your radar again has us dry but cloudy. A much bigger system is pulling this cloud cover into our area. We did talk about earlier on in the week the potential for some showers, especially throughout the afternoon, but it will stay off to our south, likely going to see some of that rain in eastern Michigan, but that strong severe weather will stay far off to our south. We're really kind of on the calmer end of this system. Here's a live look over Holland right now. Temperatures, a little bit of the silver lining of dealing with the cloud cover the last couple of days. It's allowed us to stay on the warmer side of things. 38 degrees there right now. Our typical average high for today should only sit at about 31. And it's not only here in Michigan, but across much of the Midwest. It has been mild. In order to find some of those really chilly temperatures or freezing temperatures, you'd have to go pretty far up to the north. Really none across the country right now. This afternoon will be calm, a little bit breezy at times. Those winds did shift, now coming from the north at 11 miles per hour. What that's done is actually cooled off our temperature a little bit this morning and into the afternoon. We'll still manage to top off in those upper 30s, similar to where we are now. And most of the rain will miss us, but there is a chance that we could have an isolated shower or flurry, especially near and south of I-94 later on this evening. But again, it's going to be a big if. This is what will happen. That warm front continues to lift across the area, giving that rain to portions of southeastern Michigan. Now you'll notice a few pop-up showers again near and south of about Kalamazoo, but the further north you go, the windier it's going to be, and that northerly wind actually helps pull in some drier air. So again, a few flurries possible, but a lot of it will not reach the surface. And then as we look ahead to Friday, staying dry there as well. If you're towards the lake, you may see a couple of flurries, but most of it actually will stay right over Lake Michigan, oddly enough. We're left behind with cloud cover and breaks of sunshine even into those later afternoon and early evening hours. So all in all, not too bad over the next few days. There will be better chances to see sunshine, especially as we look ahead to Saturday. Still predicting partly to mostly sunny skies for much of the afternoon. We'll get a little bit of cloud cover back Sunday, but oddly enough, we'll see a bit of a warm up into Tuesday. Temperatures will be back in those 40s, but it does pull in moisture for a rain chance, and it will be just that, rain. We're still not even anywhere cool enough to be talking snow or even significant snow totals. So 39 will be your high today. Again, we dealt with some fog this morning. Could see a similar situation tomorrow morning, so prepare for that. A little bit cooler, 33 degrees. Into the weekend, your best chance of seeing sun really over the next 7 to 10 days is going to be Saturday and even into Sunday morning. Otherwise, warmer conditions arrive, and that'll pull in enough moisture to see widespread rain on Monday, turning to scattered showers on Tuesday. By the middle and end of the week, I think we're going to see a pattern change. Most models indicating that's when we'll see the cooler air move in. So any precipitation at that point could be a bit of a wintry mix and snow. But oddly enough, this is our, we're headed into that third week of January and still going to be warm and not even talking snow at all.
Wow.
Yeah.
I know. It's just hard to believe we have such a lack of snow.
Thanks, Sarah.
Thanks, Sarah.